So we're here at Windrock Park. We're with the NOAS event today, and we just finished up our first trail. We're stopped for lunch. I got my summer sausage, and we're checking out the damage on the Xterra, which fortunately there is none. It's actually holding up really well. We got a fresh Titan swap on here, and it's holding up great. We've been banging it off of rocks and mud and all the sorts, and it's going really well. So we're super excited.
All right, fellas, it's our first half day with the new Frontier, supercharged Frontier. What are the first reactions?
To be honest, it's been surprisingly good. A stock truck has been able to handle basically everything we've thrown at it with some scrapes and bangs, but the supercharger's been cool. It's been super torquey and has honestly just been able to float through basically everything we've put it through. Yeah.
Stock suspension seemed to do pretty right.
Stock's pretty good. I think like first thing you'd want to do is tires, because the traction is kind of lacking a little bit, and then a lift would be super helpful to get a little more ground clearance.
Mm-hmm. And skid plates.
And skid plates.
If you're out here with these rocks in Tennessee, you need some skids.
Yeah.
And some actual sliders, but
yeah, I think the skid plates that are on it right now are probably nearing the end of their life.
They time for some Z1
Factory
skid
Pro
plates.
4X1.
Exactly.
Sounds like.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. Well, seem to be faring pretty well. Keep her going, and see you on this other side.
There you go.
National Forest, my brother. Start back to left,
Hey, I thought this car was black. Now it's brown. What happened?
It's a good question. We were on a mission to punish the Titan swap that we've got, and we did that. So it's been gnarly. It's been fun. Yeah, we're putting it to good use, and we got a nice paint job along the way.
Yeah, look at that paint job. Look at this wrap. Hadels would say it's Photoshopped, ladies and gentlemen. Well, yeah, there you have it. One successful weekend. Why don't you tell us about your rig here? What you got? What made this weekend so successful?
6-speed VK, Titan swap, front and rear lockers, 35s. Pretty fun. The torque, low end torque comes in at like 35 at 400 foot-pounds of torque. Great for hill climbs. Spent most of the time in two-wheel drive just for the fun of it, but otherwise, yeah, came out here skate-free, didn't break anything. The Z1 off-road skids held up great. I'm very impressed by those. Those have taken a beating. The sliders have taken a pretty good beating. And it's got all the skids and hefty and the Schmitty built winch and all that fun stuff. So I can go out there confidently and hope I get out.
Pretty confident. It did pretty well this weekend. It certainly weathered the storm.
Yeah,
looks great.
So.
Well, that's wonderful, man. Hey, thanks for taking the time, and hope to see you out there this evening.
You will, brother. I'll see you.
Why don't you tell us your name, where you're from, and what you got here?
What's going on, guys? I'm Matt Stout. I'm from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I've got my 2010 off-road here. I bought it back in 2021, and since then I've added, Dobsons. I've got the heavy springs from Z1 Off-Road. I got rough country, upper control arms, and then just rock sliders, Shockworks bumper, double Avaleaf in the rear with a shackle, and then 2-inch body lift.
Very nice.